Welcome back to another Forex weekend review. In this video, we are going to analyze some charts and talk about what you can expect for the week ahead. To start, we're going to look at the euro dollar chart. We've been covering this one for a few weeks now, and the downtrend over here is evident. I mean, there's no getting around it. It's in place. This is a very strong channel. The stochastics has the same channel. The RSI has a bit of a wedge pattern forming. You can probably see the RSI fall below it as price is going to probably most likely come down further and further down to the 109 level. The MACD is very weak. I mean, just lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Classic downtrend. I mean, looking back at the chart, you got a spike here, high here. It's just euro dollar downtrend. That's a position to be short in. Moving forward to the US dollar Canadian dollar chart. After this massive run last year, price pulled back pretty significantly, pretty quickly, as I should know too. And now we've kind of consolidated and tailed off. We're kind of developing a upward channel. I wouldn't really call this a channel yet. This upper trend line is kind of suspect, but this bottom support line is intact. This is a strong support level. We have support here, support here, support here, and support here. As if this holds within the next few days, you can call that support. MACD is also showing a strong support level. So obviously momentum's coming within the US dollar Canadian dollar. But this pair is always subject to the price of oil, which you can see the correlation here when the chart pulls up. As you can see the correlation here. And every run is almost inversely correlated. Moving forward to the pound dollar. I'm sure you've all seen this chart, Brexit, and then last week we talked about how we were buying this at the 130 level because it's just, way oversold. They correctly predicted that this is where the pound was going to move to, and we felt like that was a comfortable position to enter, and so far we are up in it, and we are happy with it. This is not a short-term trade. We are going to hold on to it. The prospects of the Brexit is actually looking pretty good. Theresa May is going to be very good for them with trying to get the balance of keeping the perks of the EU while also getting the perks of being separate from the EU. So this is something to be very conscious of and keep a close eye on it. You might see some more bullish momentum out of it. Moving forward to the dollar yen chart. And the downtrend on here is just massive from the beginning of the year. It's going to continue. Every time there's a spike move, the stochastics get spiked and then it gets squashed like a bug. You might see it hit this upper trend line. You might not. As soon as you start to see it roll over, and the indicators also roll over with it, as you can kind of see here, and on the RSI and the stochastics, it's looking like it's rolling over. You might want to go short. That's a very strong channel. I mean, this is going on 6 months now, so that is a very strong channel. And to finalize this video, we are going to look at one of the political events over the weekend, which this is a chart of the dollar Turkish lira. If you are not aware, there was a attempted coup and the lira spiked, but you're going to see this roll over as that coup was a failed coup. That is it for this weekend review. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to follow us on all of our social medias, especially Twitter, where we give out free trades constantly, and on our StockTwits profile.